What's up, you guys? This is Curtis.
I'm Christy.
We are DateAFoodie.
Yep.
And today's foodie tip of the day is the DateAFoodie because it'll spice up your life. We are here today at India Oven in Elk Grove, right there.
Yep.
And they do a lunch buffet. It's
all you can eat.
Yeah, so it's usually I think $13.99 or $14.99. But the cool thing is they do buffets on the weekend.
Yes.
Not just for weekday lunch. So we are gonna go check it out and come along with us.
So I got the chicken tikka masala, which is like my favorite. It's made with like tomato sauce and cream. So it's chicken. I also got this cauliflower curry kind of deal. But this is the rice and this is their biryani. There's vegetables in there with some turmeric. That's why the rice is yellow. And there's also the sauteed spinach with spice. So it's actually pretty spicy. So yeah. So I usually like to kind of mix the sauces with the rice.
So one of the very cool things about this lunch buffet is that you get like unlimited fresh naan. But a little secret, if you ask them for it, they will bring you garlic naan. So we just got done with our lunch buffet at India Oven at the Elk Grove location. And I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed.
Me too.
We've been to this location before for dinner.
Yeah.
So dinner is like order what you want. And it was great, it was good. We've been to the lunch buffet at the Natomas and Citrus Heights location.
Yes.
And those were always good. Like India Oven always used to hit the spot. We just never really reviewed it. And it was kind of before we started doing this.
Yeah.
So we thought we would come to the Elk Grove location, which is a really nice venue, to try the lunch buffet. And everything was just kind of short.
Yeah, the tikka masala was it wasn't thick, the sauce, or thick enough.
Everything just seemed really watered down on the flavor.
Bland. At one point it needed some salt.
Yeah, like the golden lamb curry, just like it wasn't fall apart like it usually is.
The chai was not chai enough.
Yeah, it was like super watered down chai.
Yeah.
Oh, and they don't have an ice cream machine here.
Oh.
At least in Natomas, you have mango ice cream all you want with the lunch buffet. Not even one of those bougie dinner only things. It was there for lunch. And I remember this place having it. Apparently I'm wrong, or they took it away. So
yeah.
Overall, I'm not gonna knock India Oven
'Cause
as a whole.
We've had their lunch buffets at different locations, and
Yeah.
they were good.
This
Really
is a
good.
Saturday lunch buffet at the Elk Grove location. I'm gonna have to give it like 3 stars.
For today.
Yeah.
For like
I'm not
this.
happy with my experience today,
Yeah.
but overall, I think India Oven as an establishment is a solid 4-star Indian food.
And it's worth like to eat.
Yeah,
Visit.
very, very, bang for your buck kind of place.
Yeah.
But today, it disappointed today. And
Must be off day.
yeah, I mean, it's after the new year, and
Right.
maybe they just missed a step.
Just a
So,
little bit.
unfortunately, we came on a day that we don't feel satisfied. But would we be back? Yes. Maybe different location.
Yeah.
And we can post a little update to this video on our Instagram or something. But yeah, that is it for today. I mean, so to wrap it all up, for a $15 all-you-can-eat Indian buffet, you, I guess, can't knock it much. Usually it hits it out the park, but today it was just meh.
Yeah.
So would we be back? Yes. Hopefully on a different day with different results, because we do like the place.
Yeah.
And would I come out of my way for it? Probably not after this experience. I think there has to be some convenience
Yeah.
woven in.
At least for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe take a break and come back. But in the oven, we hope you can fix it. And we hope you guys get it on a better day than us.
Yes. Because we love the food.
So that's it. And don't forget, DateAFoodie.
It'll change your life.